So far, so good. I got this thing running today. Unfortunately, that little guy right there kicked my ass. I have not used one of the TRG002 boxes in a while. If you don't know what that is, it allows you to put a Generation 4 LS inside of a Generation 3 vehicle pretty effortlessly. The problem is you have to use a 4X cam gear. I use this because originally I was converting it to front drive to pick up because I was using an LS2 cam and a 5.3. Forgot. So I got it about as far as you see now and had to tear the son of a bitch back apart on the front end to swap it out for the 4X, whatever. Because I did white pipe, I did converter to the flex plate, starter, got all the cooling system done up here, you know, blah, blah, blah. All that shit was done. And I was like looking over the instructions of the Lingenfelter box just to make sure everything's right. And I was like 4X cam gear. So yeah, whatever. But it does start up, sounds like shit, runs like shit. It's going from like a 26, 28 pound injector to a 46 pound stock cam to basically a hot cam. Cubic inches have gone from 5.3 liters to 6, so it runs like dog shit. But it will run, it was not making any noise. I was over 40 pounds of oil pressure at idle, so I am good. I don't see any leaks. So I'll double check all that other shit later. Right now, it is the tuner's job to go from here and do his thing. I'll be waiting on him. And from there, we'll probably decide what muffler we'll throw on it. Somebody's out there playing around having fun. But so far, so good. It does have a 3000 converter in it now. And so, like I said, tuner's got to do his job. The last thing I have to do is take that little stupid ass box, tuck it in there somewhere, but I have to ground it to the head and run power somewhere that keys on and stays on with the key. So other than that, I'm good. Exhaust went well. Speed engineering always, I've never had an issue out of speed engineering stuff except their clamps. They're not all that, but I usually do V-bands anyway. So, you know, that's just being brutally honest. That's the one issue they have. I want V-bands on my shit anyway. Everything else is going great though. I'm sure if we do get it running, we have to go and fill this bitch slap ass full of 93 octane. Being a 12.3 to 1 compression, it's gonna need all the help it can get on, you know, octane department, because the wider lobe separation than we would normally want to run in something anyway is not gonna help, you know. So your dynamic static, it's gonna be up there. So yeah, hopefully I have a sound clip of it idling and running worth of shit at some point, just for those that have been following what some random dude in Texas is doing in his shop.